Now we will discuss the limitations of cooperative society. First is limited resources, inefficiency in management, lack of secrecy, government control, difference of opinion, and lack of motivation. We will discuss each of these limitations one by one. First is limited resources. The resources of a cooperative society are limited because it consists of capital contributed by the members who generally have limited means. The low rate of dividend offered on investment discourages the public from joining a cooperative society or attracting more capital from the members. Next is inefficiency in management. Cooperative societies are unable to attract and employ expert managers because cooperative society is not able to pay them high salaries. The members of the cooperative society who offer honorary services on a voluntary basis are generally not able to handle the management functions effectively. Next is lack of secrecy. The affairs of the cooperative society are openly discussed in the meetings of the members. Every member is free to inspect the books and records of the society. So it is very difficult to maintain secrecy about the operations of a cooperative society. Next limitation is government control over cooperative societies. Cooperative societies have to comply with several rules and regulations which are related to auditing of accounts, submission of accounts, etc. State cooperative department interferes in the functioning of the cooperative societies through inspection or other means, which negatively affects the freedom of operation of cooperative societies. Next point is difference of opinion. Sometimes there may be difference in opinions among the management committee members on certain issues, which may lead to difficulties in decision making. Personal interests of some of the members of the management committee may start to dominate the welfare motive. As a result of the rivalries and internal quarrels, general body members stop taking interest in the working of the organization. If such a situation occurs, this ultimately brings the cooperative society to ruin. Next limitation is lack of motivation. Honorary office bearers of the society may lack enthusiasm to perform their office duties as they get little or no incentive to work hard. As there is no direct link between the effort and reward, so members may not put their best efforts in a cooperative society. It means that there may be some honorary office members which may be very hardworking. The others may not be working at all, or some may be working normally. So when all the office members of honorary office members, some are not performing, some are working very hard, and there is no incentive at all. So the hardworking honorary office bearers may also feel that they are not getting anything. There is no incentive for working hard. They may feel demotivated. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.